You're sitting perfectly still on the couch, maybe reading or watching television. Suddenly, the room around you feels like it's gently rocking. It feels as if you are on a boat or the floor is tilting just a few inches beneath you. This swaying sensation is a very real, highly measurable condition happening inside your brain's hardware. It's a glitch in the systems that help you navigate the world. This gauge shows the physical sensor inside your inner ear. When you turn your head, fluid moves inside it, sending a signal to your brain. But that sensor has a strict mechanical limit. If you keep moving, the fluid settles, and the signal drops off after just 3 to 6 seconds. Since we usually move for longer than 6 seconds, your brain uses an internal storage circuit to bridge the gap. Think of it as a balance battery. It captures that fading signal from the ear and holds on to the charge, keeping the movement signal active for up to 30 seconds. This battery system keeps your vision stable and your body upright. It's the reason you can walk down a bumpy sidewalk or ride a bicycle while keeping your eyes locked on the road ahead. In a condition called vestibular migraine, this circuit becomes oversensitive. Looking at the diagram, the battery begins to overcharge. It holds on to movement signals way too long, stretching them out until the system becomes unstable. This happens because the brain's wiring is incredibly crowded. The network that handles head pain and the network that manages your balance battery are physically woven together. They actually overlap at a busy central junction. During a migraine, the pain network releases a powerful messenger chemical called CGRP. Because the wires are so close, this chemical leaks across the gap. It spills directly onto the balance network. Local immune cells rush in to clean up the spill, which causes localized inflammation. This floors the balance node with excitatory signals, putting your internal sensors on high alert. Instead of a calm, steady battery, your balance center is now buzzing with excess energy. It is primed, irritated, and ready to misfire. When the system is this overwhelmed, a tiny physical trigger pushes it over the edge. A simple glance over your shoulder or a change in the weather can spark an intense spinning attack that lasts for hours. This chemical storm fundamentally changes how you process space. It turns ordinary movements into severe, prolonged vertigo. This overcharged battery also explains why a brightly lit supermarket aisle, packed with thousands of colorful boxes, feels so overwhelming. You might walk in feeling perfectly fine, but within minutes of scanning the shelves, you're hit with deep nausea and a sense of total disorientation. This happens because of a specific type of network interference. When your balance node is firing out of control, it sends signals that crowd out the visual node at the back of your brain. The conflict is so loud that the balance node literally forces your visual center to dim down and reduce its processing power. Because your visual system is being suppressed, your brain can no longer do the complex math required to track repeating patterns, process bright lights, and track moving shoppers. Scanning those shelves creates a neurological traffic jam. Two competing networks are fighting to process broken information at the exact same time. Living with these symptoms is exhausting, but seeing that they stem from a physical, chemical spill is the first step toward finding a solution. Because scientists have identified the exact chemicals causing the chaos, we now have treatments designed to clean up that spill. Advanced treatments can now act like tiny molecular sponges. They intercept that messenger chemical and neutralize it before it can ever irritate your balance circuitry. Other medicines can help stabilize your internal chemistry, acting like a cooling system to lower the sensitivity of your balance battery. Your internal sensors are not permanently broken. They are caught in an irritated loop, and they can be reset with the right medical guidance. By calming those overlapping networks, you can reduce the dizzy days, leave the disorientation behind, and step back out into the world with total confidence.